I'm Mark Teehan. I work at Harvard Pilgrim Health Care in Massachusetts. We are a regional health plan, mainly servicing New England. My job title is the Access Identity Management Program Manager. I am responsible for all of our access identity management tools and systems. As far as individuals go, we have roughly 2,300 people. That's a combination of employees, contractors, vendors who have access to our systems to provide support. We have offshore persons on the account that are working in India and Mexico. So it's a wide range. We also have a research arm that is tied to Harvard Medical School with a relationship with us, and that's a very volatile area where people come and go, and they're not necessarily employees of ours, but they have access to our data to do studies. One of the things that we like to concentrate on is making sure that people, when they leave, their access goes away. The auditors are always much more concerned of making sure that happens as opposed to making sure people get the access they need right when they need it, which is more of the business concern. We've been a customer of Courion's for, I believe, 7 years now. They're very responsive. We had a geographic advantage, so to say, because they were right down the street from us. So we were close to them, but they've always worked very closely with us, and we were able to express our needs to them in what we were trying to do. We actually used the HIPAA security rule as kind of our impetus here to really sell it to the organization. Pre-Courion, it was manual. There was paperwork. There really was no way of doing some of the things that we do today. We use the password reset system. We use the voice biometrics for password reset. Provisioning, we use the account courier provisioning tool, and we try to bring in new systems as they come up. We're making sure that we can look at it and saying, can we automate provisioning? Because it's going to speed up the processes. It's going to make sure that we're compliant. We're going to know who has access. So we try to put in connectors whenever we can to make the automation and the provisioning a little more seamless. Those of us in the IT world live under the audit umbrella and the threat of audit. We have an internal audit department. We are subject to external audits and regulations. And we have found that Courion and what we've done with the tools has really helped us. We're confident that when we go into these audits that we have the data that can prove that we're doing the right things for our members and for protecting their information. Having the information, having the ability to know that people are doing the right things about providing access and removing access when it's not required is really key to making sure that those audits keep coming back green.